Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for the financial week, and Jamaica is set to deepen its public sector reform agenda with a new $70 million loan agreement signed between the government of Jamaica and the Inter-American Development Bank. The funding is aimed at modernizing and improving efficiency across ministries and agencies. Deirdre Thomas reports.
The agreement, finalized on February 16, 2026, builds on gains under the public sector agreement between the government of Jamaica and the Inter-American Development Bank. Finance Minister Favour Williams says the earlier initiative delivered key digital upgrades, including the MyHR Plus human resource system, now used across 55 government entities.
There's been a work permit system for the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, and we've had the childcare management system for the CPFSA. There have been efficiency gains, but I know that the general population is not feeling it so much yet, but we have to continue to work so that we get to that point where the ordinary Jamaican is saying, yes, I can interact with the government and I can do it in less than 5 minutes and I'm satisfied with the service I'm getting.
Despite those advancements, inefficiencies persist. The continuation of this program seeks to address those gaps. The total project cost of $78.5 million will be financed through a combination of the IDB funding, $70 million, and the government of Jamaica contributions of $8.5 million.
The loan investment operation that we are signing today is a natural next step in this direction, and it has 3 core objectives. The first one is to continue the good work already started and strengthen core government functions such as human resources payroll, procurement, asset management, and rollout of shared corporate services. The second core objective of this investment is to optimize government structures, including rationalization of public bodies and improved mechanisms for efficient delivery management. And the third objective, which is really important, is to enhance the public sector human capital.
Speaking at the visibility ceremony, Executive Director at the Transformational Implementation Unit at the Ministry of Finance and Public Service, Maria Thompson-Walters, says the program aligns with Jamaica's Vision 2030 National Development Plan.
At the Transformation Implementation Unit, we know we have a clear responsibility to drive and manage the delivery of this program and to ensure that results are achieved. We will deliver on this agenda by coordinating, implementing, and supporting ministries and agencies and maintaining a strong focus on accountability and outcomes.
Deirdre Thomas, TVJ News.
ARC Manufacturing Limited says it supports the findings of the Fair Trading Commission, FTC, which investigated the competition in the rebar market. In a 56-page report released this week, the FTC found that Tankweld, the leading supplier of steel products in Jamaica, is likely abusing its dominance in the market by harming rivals and customers. The findings of the investigation come after a complaint was brought by ARC, which argued that the market was not operating on fair terms because Tankweld was selling steel reinforcing bars, also known as rebar, below cost to the detriment of rivals. Interacting to the findings in a release on Friday, ARC says a market that only works for one player is not working for the country. In the meantime, Tankweld has since rejected the FTC report and signaled that it would be challenged in the Supreme Court. The company says it cannot and will not accept a flawed report built on serious calculation errors and produced without basic fairness. To the stock market now, the JC index advanced by 4,168 points today, while the junior market advanced by 87 points. The winners include Knutsford Express Services, Proven Group, Blue Power Group, Edufocal Limited, and Lasco Financial Services. The losers include Productive Business Solution, US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Elite Diagnostic Limited. 19 stocks traded firm. To the foreign exchange market, foreign exchange trading ended with the banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.16. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.39. The pound is going for $211.23, while the euro is selling for an average $184.42. And that's the Financial Week. International stories and the Bite of the Week are all next.